Hey, my name is Ian Walters, and I'll be doing slides 14 to 17. This slide highlights each team member's role and how their contributions helped with the quality, delivery, and the success of the project. Miriam is our project manager and focused on coordinating tasks and keeping us on schedule. Linda is our software developer lead, she focused on core structure, UI components, and implementation of static interface. Anais is our quality assurance lead and focus on reviewing pages and components to maintain consistency. Tejas is our accessibility and UI designer, making sure our layouts were visually consistent and user-friendly. And I am our security lead, guiding us on the best practices so we can have secure user authentication, data protection, and for the future vision of our platform. Together, our roles ensured that this project is well managed, visually cohesive, and technically sound. Here we introduce the overall concept behind our project, the UAlbany Campus Portal. Our goal is to build a responsive website for online students. Since online learners don't have the same opportunities to connect with campus community, our platform aims to be a sort of a bridge to promote a more engaging and inclusive virtual environment. Some key features are accessible form posts, where students can share questions, share updates, and connect with peers. We also have an integrated AI chatbot for quick assistance and to answer some common questions so that our staff isn't over text. And then we have protected user data through secure forms, which ensures that they have to register and log in, and the communication in the portal remains safe and private. We also emphasize secure member login that demonstrate a world application using HTTPS, input validation, and practices for sorting and transmitting user data. This slide highlights how our team communicated and stayed organized with their project. We mainly used Microsoft Team, which allowed us to exchange messages quickly, share files, and collaborate efficiently in real time. Secondary, we used email for more formal updates as when we'd meet. And for example, today we used it. We also have a consistent meeting schedule and we host weekly meetings every Thursday. We also use Zoom meetings when we needed like a more detailed walkthroughs or want to record sessions for later. So if someone can't make it on one week, they'd be able to have, they'd be able to stay informed and up to date. This slide covers some of the main technical tools we used through our project. We relied on Visual Studio Code as our primary IDE. VS Code gave us a flexible development environment with support for live share and real-time code pairing, which made collaboration smoother, especially with multiple team members working on the layout and structure. For hosting, we use GitHub and GitHub Pages. GitHub allowed us to version control our code, track updates, and collaborate through branches and pull requests. We also use Figma for the UI and UX work, for wireframing and prototyping. And finally, we use a Trello board to coordinate and backlog a task. It helped us stay organized and track what we need to be done and give us a kind of goal to aim for. This tool set allowed us to work efficiently and maintain a clean workflow from start to finish.